guys, so today is a Sunday. We decided to just stay in our hotel. It's a bit of a mess right now. I'm staying here for 2 weeks because the company that I've moved to in Seoul, they're kind of providing me with accommodation while I find a place to stay in for the next 2 years. So yeah, anyway, so I'm here with my mom because she's helping me kind of settle down and everything, and she's gonna be pretty unpredictable. And guess what she brought home with her? It's like a full plate of sashimi, and we have 2 glasses here, and mekju and soju here. Okay, so we have set up what we're gonna eat for tonight. This is beer, Moma's soju. I don't like soju. And the main dish. And this is called nakji. It's like a type of octopus. I don't know if you can see, but it's moving a little bit because it's still fresh. My mom's saying this is tagumbari. It's like a type of really expensive, high quality sashimi. Today is Wednesday, June 28th. My mom and I, we came all the way to Pyeongchang, which is where the 2018 Olympics will be held. We're at a place called Yangdae-mukjang, which is where, you know, there's a lot of like hillsides and sheep that are roaming around. So we're gonna be having a chance to pet them later and feed them, and I'll show you guys that later in a bit. So we just walked up the hills right now, and look how beautiful the view is. It's so peaceful here. There's quite a bit of fog right now since it was forecasted to rain, but you can see the sun peeking through with the clouds, so it's a little bit warm. There are also sheep roaming around in the grass here, as you can see. They're not caged, they're freely eating from the grass. The sheepies! Baby sheep. Oh my goodness. So we just got off the bus and we arrived in Gangneung, and so we looked up this place, this glamping style accommodation that we could stay in for tonight, but we actually ended up coming here with taxi. I don't know if you can see in the background, it's like RV style, but it looked really gross inside and we didn't really want to stay anymore, so we decided to go somewhere else. Like, we decided to go to Hanok, which is like more of a traditional style home to stay in for the night. Sorry about the sound in the background. So we're gonna head there now, and hopefully that's a lot better than what it's like here. Hi guys, so we arrived in Gangneung tonight, and we found a place to stay. It's this Hanok Mar in Gangneung. It's brand new. It's not even a year old. We arrived pretty late tonight. We arrived around 8, so we decided to grab a place to bite to eat at this seafood restaurant. The first dish, crab. The second dish, it's sashimi, or hae in Korean. I didn't show you guys it before, but this is the crab that we had before, and whatever was on the inside, they made like fried, it's not really fried rice, but like rice with the innards. The third and final dish is jogegui, or varieties of clam here. My mom and I finished a bottle of soju and a bottle of mekju. So yeah. So we made our own masterpiece out of this crab shell. Hopefully it will join this wall here. Whose crab shell is on the wall. So we just finished eating. I don't know why this is not focusing. Okay, so we just finished eating. There's a strip of restaurants behind us right now. And there's this swinging thing. There's a beach right in front of me, so there's this swinging chair. There's people doing fireworks. Yeah.